Hi everyone. For this What Would You Do exercise, I shows the shark conservation efforts off the coast of Florida. I am role-playing as an intern at the Florida Office of Policy and Budget. I am attending a meeting organized by the Florida Department of Environmental Protection with marine scientists, tourism representatives, beachfront owners, and state officials. The discussion focuses on whether to support and fund a shark conservation program. Sharks are vital top predators that maintain the health of Florida's coral reefs, but there are serious concerns about public safety and the impact on the state's $70 billion tourism industry. From chapters 5 and 6, a few important concepts really stand out in this shark situation. In chapter 5, we learn that sharks are a keystone species. They are top predators that help keep the coral reefs healthy by controlling the population of other fish. If we lose too many sharks, it can mess up the whole food chain. Basically, protecting sharks helps protect the entire ecosystem, which is important for both nature and things like fishing and coastal protection. From chapter 6, this scenario shows the I equals PAT idea. Our environmental impact comes from population, affluence, and technology. Florida's big tourism industry means a lot of people with money are putting pressure on the ocean, so the decision isn't just about sharks. It's about finding a balance between making money from tourism and protecting the environment for the long term. Now, let's look at both sides of the decision. If we support shark conservation, which is option A, we protect the coral reefs and keep the ocean's ecosystem healthy in the long run. This is good for fish population, tourism in the future, and overall biodiversity. Programs in Brazil and Australia have shown that it's possible to protect sharks while keeping people safe. The downside is that it might cost money, and some people worry it could scare away tourists in the short term. On the other hand, if we reject the conservation program, option B, we avoid any short-term risk to the $70 billion tourism industry and keep beachgoers happy right now. But the problem is that losing sharks could damage the reefs over time, which would eventually hurt fishing and tourism even more, and all that money that they saved up in the beginning would be meaningless. In conclusion, I believe supporting the shark conservation program is the right decision for Florida. Saving the sharks isn't just about protecting one species, it's about keeping the entire coral reef's ecosystem healthy, which benefits both nature and people in the long run. Even though there are real concerns about tourism and safety, we can address those with practical solutions instead of giving up on conservation. Overall, I think we need to think in the long term. A healthy ocean will actually help Florida's tourism and economy more than just trying to protect it in the short term for a profit at the cost of our environment.